Hello guys, welcome to our YouTube channel Asia Technical TV. Subscribe our channel and press the bell icon to get latest updates. In this video we will install Python and write two programs in Python. You can download Python from the official site of Python or search Python download on Google and open the first link for downloading Python. Let's begin. After the Python installation, you need an IDE for starting Python programming. You can use any IDE. I am using Microsoft Visual Studio Code in this video. Now start writing our first Python Hello World program. It is very easy in Python. Let's begin. Create a new Python file and creating a Python program to find sum of two numbers. Source code is in the description. If you have any question or suggestion, tell us in comment below. In our next video we will create a password generator using Python. Thanks for watching this video.